1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Good morning. Today's lesson is all about you. Look at the mirror. What do you see? Do you see a cheerful person? Or are you looking at an ill-tempered and irritable child? This idea is pertaining to what we call self-concept. What is self-concept? Self-concept is the idea about yourself. Like, you are seeing as smart individual, handsome, beautiful, cute, or even talented. But remember, the way you see yourself is maybe completely different to how others see you. Your self-concept is important because how you act, communicate, and deal with others is closely connected with this. To have a high level of self-esteem, you need to have a positive view of yourself and vice versa. What are the ways to improve your self-concept? First, ask several questions like, am I happy with how I look? Am I a good person? Do I have an attractive personality? Do others respond to my potential? Am I confident? Second, be cheerful, be clean and neat, be honest, trustful, sincere, and loyal. Be responsible, be resourceful, be thoughtful, practice good manners, and always say please and thank you. Be cooperative. Those are the ways on how you can improve your self-concept. Now, let's have the self-esteem. When you care about yourself or respect yourself, you develop, of course, your self-esteem. What is self-esteem? Self-esteem is related to your self-worth and value as a person, including your feelings, emotions, body, mind, and the way you interact with other people. It is also the way you see yourself about your strength, weaknesses, faults, and good points. Self-esteem increases your level of confidence. If you are confident enough, you respect yourself. If you respect yourself, you can respect also others, thus improving your relationships and achievements to attain happiness. Some people may have low self-esteem. This causes depression, unhappiness, insecurity, and poor confidence. However, there are ways on how to improve your self-esteem. First, face your fears. Don't be afraid to face your fears. It will boost your confidence and it will make you stronger. Second, forget your failure and learn from them. Avoid making some mistakes and do not limit yourself as assuming that since you failed before, you cannot succeed in this time. Try and keep doing your best until you become wiser and stronger. Third, know what you want and ask for it. Make things as well as your dreams happen. Fourth, reward yourself when you won in a contest. You deserve to celebrate the result of your efforts, reviews, practices, rehearsals, and other tedious preparations. Fifth, talk. Your attitude and behavior can be negatively affected. So, if you have any doubt or questions, don't be shy to ask questions. Don't assume that you know how and why. Lastly, don't be defeated. Do not get discouraged by one failed attempt. There's nothing wrong if you fail first before you finally succeed. And before I end this lesson, remember, each person is a combination of different characteristics. So, when you look at others, never judge them by just the way they look or behave in a certain situation because you don't know them much. Remember the saying that don't judge the book by its cover. Prevent yourself from making unsolicited comments about others, especially if these remarks do more harm than good or bring animosity. Once again, this is Teacher Jello, looking forward for a better you.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.